Hello, hope you're doing well. I want you to be able to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay and your other favorite video apps like these. Here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna need what's inside this package. You spend way too much time in the car to not be keeping up with your favorite video series, podcasts, commuting to work, road trips. Think about how much time you spent fumbling around your phone trying to find a good place to put it, not so you could sit there and watch it while you're driving, but just so you can glance at it and watch it passively. How much better is going from here to here to here to here than, I tried this, I've done this thing, this is dumb. We need to take a seat, we need to get serious though. This product in this package though is $400. Yes, that stings, ooh, but free shipping and a 30-day return policy, so you can purchase it, no risk, try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, get a prepaid shipping label from this company, send it back. As long as you have the original packaging and everything in it, you'll be okay. But you can imagine once you start watching YouTube and keeping up with your favorite video series on that screen and that nice display in your car, this is gonna be one of the better purchases you've ever made. I will literally use this every time I drive, because every time I get in the car, I'm listening to my favorite podcasts on YouTube, and I like to just glance at the video to see their facial expressions every now and then, right? I have something special for you, though. If you want this, which we'll open it here soon, if you use the code Carmaspeed in the description, everything you need is there, the link, the code. It'll get this under $400 for you shipped to your house. Let's open it. Oh no, it's not there. Does anyone else just have that junk drawer that you hate yourself for? Gosh dang it. Ooh. The Milwaukee scissors will do. Oh, I didn't know this. Works on your TV and your car. Ta-da! Oh, it's got a nice feel to it. Got lots of air holes. This is basically a little computer. Come on now. HDMI for your TV, USB for the car. Size reference. I'm 6'1", here's the size of my hands. Here's the box. Wait, we got more. Oh, USB-C to USB-C for Android. You're gonna plug the USB-C in the top and then the USB in the car. That's better. Ta-da! If that price is still haunting you, which it's a little bit of money, but you really want this, let me give you an idea. If you order multiple of these, you'll see on the site, when you click the link in the description, if you order multiple of them, you get a discount. So if you have multiple cars, family members, get a group of homies together, throw them on the homie that has the most cash in his debit, have him order it, and then send him a Venmo or Apple Cash payment. You guys can save some money on these. One of my favorite things on a road trip is just watching my podcast on YouTube. Not just listening to it, I like to glance, get the body language. It's entertaining. So being able to just look at say less, that's why I got this right away. And I had to share it with all my car friends out there. Okay, our magic box is now lit up with a red light. We now have on screen, we can enable CarPlay. As you can see here, we have it plugged in. Once we plugged it in, it went from red to blue. We can enable CarPlay, connecting to CarPlay. Whoa. For your safety, do not operate system while vehicle in motion. Definitely won't. YouTube, Netflix, what else we got? Hotspot, allow others to join. Cam's iPhone, we're connected. Before we test YouTube, let's just make sure this works. Under Bluetooth, we've got our magic box. Allow favorites to sync, yep. My phone is showing up in the menu. It's completely wireless, how awesome. I'm not gonna play the music because I'll get copyrighted. Let's go to YouTube. This is a test video. I was just at Rick's shop today. This is crazy. Watching YouTube videos. It's so satisfying because it's a whole entire screen. Just mobbing down the road, watching your podcast full screen, completely wireless. This little dot is our little command center. I can go to home with it. You can also just tap around the screen wherever you want. We even have a mini player for YouTube in the corner. What? Incredible. So since this has cast, if your passenger's over there with their iPhone, they can stream whatever they want from their YouTube app on their phone to here, share their screen, any app, cast it to the screen while you're driving on a road trip. Amazing. Something extremely important, this Ford Bronco has a touchscreen display. Keep that in mind. Harley, say hi. This 2022 Mazda 3 all-wheel drive turbo hatchback we're dropping a review video on soon. It's a really nice car. It does not have a touchscreen, so you need something. All the controls of the screen in the Apple CarPlay are using this. On the screen I have the Magic Remote, which is recommended from the Magic brand for the individuals out there who cannot control it via touchscreen. It's going to be a little bit more difficult, so make sure you grab the remote. It's $30. I also have that linked in the description because there's a lot of cars out there that don't have touchscreen, and I don't want you to be sad when it shows up in the mail and it doesn't really work that good, because the touchscreen is working best for it. That's why they came out with the remote. This car is really sick though. Got a lot to say about it in an upcoming video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a new format coming. So I went out and tested it in my Silverado for two reasons. Does it work on my aftermarket Apple CarPlay, and does it save all my data? I would assume so, both of them, but I want to make sure. Went out and tested it. Sure enough, everything works great. Super pumped. YouTube pulls up as normal. Drove with it actually today for 30 minutes. Watched my podcast because I had to drive across town, and the time went by quickly, as I hoped. Another concern is when you switch to wireless Apple CarPlay, it gets a little bit laggy. So far, after 2 days of using it, I haven't experienced any lag. That makes me go, this is annoying. It's pretty quick, haven't had a problem. I can say, just like any computer though, it's probably gonna get laggy if it gets super hot. So keep that in mind, maybe you need to cool it down, let the little processor in there, whatever's going on, cool down, and it should be fine. But honestly, I've used other devices in the past and I returned them to Amazon because I didn't like them and they were super laggy. So technology is catching up, and this one, just having all the features, is the move. There's no way that you're not as excited about this as I am. Make sure you check out the link in the description. Use the code Carmaspeed. Get this thing for under $400 with that discount code. Tell your friends, share this with someone to make the commutes better, the road trips better, and take full advantage of your display in your car. Thanks so much for stopping by the Carmaspeed Garage. My name's Cameron Alford. Our company Carmaspeed, our friends, are giving away our cars. We want to spread the love. We love making cars look cooler, better, faster, stronger, drive better, have better technology in them, explore everything about the automotive lifestyle that we can. To give back, we're giving away our team members cars that we're working on making content on. I have links in the description, carmaspeed.com. All the details there. Get entered for one car, if not all three, depending on which one you like. If you're excited about this tech, let me show you another piece. This Apple CarPlay display from Sony that we put in one of the cars is a monster.